Monday, everybody. Welcome, Simon's Trading Channel. I hope you've all had a smashing start to the week. And thank you for joining me for another one of my daily price action analyses. I hope you enjoy the content. And if you do, please like and subscribe. That would be absolutely marvelous. I do them every day. So, you get to see my unfortunate face on a daily basis. All right, so let's get straight in with the price action analysis. As you can see here, I've got the 4 hour because everything above that time frame is, well, what can you say about that apart from yawn or snore? Yes, those are the two appropriate words to describe this kind of daily price action. The momentum's still to the downside, but it's still trying to move up. It's away from the zero line at the moment, and so I still get the feeling that this is going to turn out to be a higher low. So if I just move that and then get my little drawing tool, I still get the feeling this is going to turn out to be a higher low from here. But to be honest, confirmation needs to come, and I'll show you on the 4 hour chart the price action. And then for a decent upside move, I'd really want to see the MACD back above the zero line. So there's still work to be done. I got an itchy eye buy Bitcoin on most of the time frames. Now, if we did a weekly yesterday. I'll just jump into the 4 hour, and as you can see, well, what a giant consolidation on the 4 hour time frame. And it's the same as yesterday where I had the support resistance lines in. So there, in my humble opinion, and then indeed here, in my humble opinion. And it looks like if you zoom down to the super low time frames, then this could turn into a higher low from there. And then if it gets back above, what's the value of this? 60,000, is that 60K again? It keeps cropping up all the time, super important. So that would be a great signal to me. 4 hour daily closure back above 60,000, and probably a move towards 62, which is the top of this range at the moment. I think Bitcoin's got a good chance of doing that. The 4 hour momentum's just hovering around the zero line. I mean, technically, it won't cross up until it gets back above 60,000, but that number will change a little bit as it gets closer. So, yeah, work to be done. But I feel after this bounce from that move down, the longer Bitcoin just sort of does very little, sort of slightly sideways and down from here, the more likely that is to turn into a bull flag with a more further upside move. But those areas are the important numbers that I just shared with you a moment ago. 60,000 initially and then 62 after that. If you bang on a Fibonacci, I'll probably do it the wrong way around as I always do, but just bear with me. What I need to do is just sit down and decide, get it clear in my mind where I start for a down move or an up move, because I just always forget. But I think I've done that right. And so it's basically hovering around the 0.5 of the Fibonacci retracement, which, that's like people look at a 0.5 retracement of Bitcoin as like a fair value with regards to the move. Or discount zone, or whatever you want to call it. There's loads of different words for it. The bottom line is it's retraced 50% of this move down, and the 618, which closures above on the 4 hour, and then that'll bleed into the daily, would signify that it's then, in all likelihood, going to be moving back up towards the mid 60s, and you may then get a full retracement back up to 70,000. But as it's been for the last 23 weeks, this is still a range play. This is still consolidation, not at the all-time highs, but kind of within the zone of the all-time highs. And even on the higher time frames, like the weekly, the longer the Bitcoin stays in this area, that's just going to look like a big, it's not too bad if I spread it out. But the longer the Bitcoin stays within this kind of line of line of red and green candles on a weekly time frame, in my opinion, the more likely it is to break to the upside. But Bitcoin's got to do things to clarify that, and it'll be doing those things, hopefully, on the lower time frames. The 4 hour moment, I think, is probably going to lead the way. Now, what else did I want to say? I think that just about covers it. A bit of a quick video today, which is good because I'm a bit tired. Had a very busy day. I didn't sleep very well last night. Don't know why. Don't ask me because I won't be able to give you a good reason. But I hope you've enjoyed the video. And yeah, if you have, join me tomorrow for another one. That'll be Tuesday. Let's hope for a bit of volatility. Take it easy, guys. See you tomorrow.